In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to create a freebie. Whether you're looking to generate an ebook, checklist, or template, Perplexity AI can help streamline the process. So on Perplexity website, you can use it without an account, but signing in gives you access to more features. Now, before generating content, decide what kind of freebie you want, like some popular options like ebooks, checklists, or templates. So in this case, I'm going to type in the search bar just to give you all an example, beginner's guide to digital marketing. So after that, just click this arrow or enter key and it will generate you a content that you can copy into Google Docs, Canva, or Notion for formatting. And you can also add branding elements like your logo, colors, and fonts to make it look professional. So once you copy on it, head over to Google Docs, or if you are using Canva or Notion, you can paste it in there. But in this case, I'm using Google Docs. So once you're done generating your content, just simply copy it all and then click the CTRL-C to copy it and then click the CTRL-V to paste it onto your Google Docs. So once finalized, you can save it and then you can export it as a freebie of yours as a PDF or PNG files. You can also share it via your website or landing page, email marketing campaigns, or social media platforms. And that's it. That's how you use Perplexity AI to create a freebie. It's a fast and easy way to generate valuable content for your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.